Okay, good morning, Year 5. Last week we wrote our introduction to our non-chronological report about bees. Now this English lesson today, what we're going to be doing is grouping our information that we've gathered about bees under subheadings. So first of all, what we're going to have to do is revisit all of our knowledge and information that we've gathered about bees, organise that information and then group it under subheadings. What I would like you to do now is just pause the video, have a look at Tutankhamun's tomb and giant pandas. Both of these non-chronological reports, please have a look at them. I want you to look at the different subheadings in each report and then just look at the information that's gathered underneath each subheading. What do you notice? So, I've actually gathered some facts about bees. You should have lots more facts than I've got up here, but this is just an example. So, this is over the past 2 weeks, okay? So there are over 250 different species of bees. Bees are attracted to the nectar and pollen in a flowering plant. Bees are pollination agents. Bees can either live in nests they have made or hives. On their hind legs, bees have pollen baskets, which are stiff hairs that help carry pollen from the angiosperms. And last of all, honeybees live in colonies of over 75,000. Okay, so a few subheadings that I thought I could actually group all of this information under would be types of bees, parts of a bee, pollination, and where the bees live. Now, I would like you to pause the video here and just go back to the information or the facts that I've put on the previous slide, or have a look at the facts that you've gathered over the past 2 weeks, so before the Easter holidays and last week. And can you organise that information underneath each of these subheadings? So, underneath types of bees, I have put there are 250 different species of bees, and also honeybees live in colonies of over 75,000 bees. Underneath where do bees live, I have put bees can either live in nests they have made or hives. Under the subheading of pollination, I've put bees are attracted to the nectar and pollen in a flowering plant, and bees are pollination agents. And last of all, parts of a bee. I have put on their hind leg, bees have pollen baskets, stiff hairs that help to carry pollen from angiosperms. This is because it's actually talking about a part of a bee. So you might have the same information as me here, or you should have more extra information that you've gathered over the past 2 weeks. So today is to organise the information and the notes you have collected about bees under the subheadings that you are going to use in your non-chronological report. Okay, thanks guys.